Let's move on three. Let's move on three. 1, 2, 3.
Let's move!
Come out for I'm a Star Foundation's 10th ever Let's Move Jacksonville.
It's a milestone event, one day that could change your lifestyle for the better.
The American Health Index is how fit each city is. So we have 100 cities, like Jacksonville, we are ranked number 71. Since we actually went down a rank, last year we were 69. We want to bring it up higher. So we're trying to help everybody get fit. We're trying to get families to come out, celebrate. It's gonna be a very, very big event.
A big field day filled with fun, free healthy food, and fitness.
Designed by teens for the whole community.
We have planned sponsors, vendors. We're planning to come out here and actually scale out the area to see where we're gonna put everything.
We're expecting over 2,000 people to.
Think kickball, flag football, line dances, fun for all ages, and the largest group receives $1,000.
We just really want them to be attached to the events, kind of intrigued by it.
The gumbo is there. The gumbo is like the best thing out here. Like you gotta try it.
Join us for Let's Move Jacksonville.
Saturday, December 3rd.
At Klutho Park in Springfield, all free.
Let's Move Jacksonville!